Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disable or enable voice prompts for your speaker SOUNDCORE Select for Go. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application, and if you add your speaker to the application, right here you will see it. So tap on it and then go to the settings at the right top. In the first line we have speaker prompts, so if you have colored background on this slider, it means that it's enabled, and to disable it, just tap on it. If you have empty background and this slider, it means that it's disabled, and to enable it, just tap on it also. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!